Hi students, 7th exercise before first Roman completed. Now second question. In the adjacent figure, the lines L and M parallel. N is transversal. Fill in the blanks. See here, L and M two parallel lines. L, M two parallel lines. N is called transversal. So we know that before class all types of angles. Here alternate angles, alternate interior. 7, 3, 2, 6. Next alternate exterior 8, 4, 1, 5. So alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. Next corresponding angles 1, 3, 2, 4, 8, 6, 7, 5. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So like again here opposite angles are equal. 1, 8 linear pair. Sum of 1 plus 8 equal to 180 degrees. Like all conditions, based on that conditions, first one, if angle 1 equal to 80 degrees, then angle 2 equal to. Here observe angle 1, 2. These two linear pair. These two linear pair or adjacent angles. Adjacent angles sum equal to 180 means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. Like angle 1 equal to 80, angle 2 equal to 180 minus 80, we get 100. Angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Next second one, angle 3 equal to 45. Then angle 7 equal to. Here observe 3, 7. Which type of angles? Alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal. Means angle 3 equal to angle 7. Here angle 3 45. Angle 7 also 45. Next angle 2 equal to 90 degrees. Then angle 8 equal to. Angle 2 angle 8. Here angle 2 angle 8. Which type of angles? Opposite angles. What is condition for opposite angles? Opposite angles are equal. Means angle 2 equal to angle 8. Here angle 2 equal to 90 degrees. Angle 8 also 90 degrees. Next angle 4 equal to 100 degrees. Then angle 8 equal to. Here observe 4, 8. Which type of angles? Angle 4, angle 8. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Means angle 4 equal to 100 degrees. Angle 8 also 100 degrees. Third question. Find the measures of x, y and z in the figure where L parallel to BC. Here L parallel to BC. Here observe A 75, x 45. This is totally straight line form here. In this straight line means 75 plus x plus 45 equal to 180. Right here 75 plus x plus 45 equal to 180. 75 plus 45 we get 120. 120 plus x equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 120. X equal to 60 degrees. X equal to 60 here. After finally here angle y. Angle y alternate angles. So here this one, extend this figure. So like this. This is a transversal line. Like angle y, angle 75. These two alternate interior. We know that alternate interior angles are equal. Means like this expand two parallel lines. This is a transversal. Like here 75y. These two places observe. These two alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal. Then y equal to 75 degrees. Next here like that this is transversal. These two parallel lines again. These two parallel lines. This is transversal. Like here 45. Here z. 45 z. This also alternate interior angles. Alternate angles are equal. Means angle z also 45. Angle z equal to 45 degrees. So we know that x equal to 60 degrees. y equal to 75, z equal to 45. Next, fourth one. Fourth question, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to DC and AB parallel to BC. Find angle B, angle C, angle D. Here observe, this is one of the parallelogram. We know that one of the condition parallelogram, sum of base angles equal to 180 degrees. Means here they given 50 degrees, find all angles. Here given 50 degrees. 50 plus B equal to 180. 50 plus B equal to 180. Then B equal to 180 minus 50. We get 130. B equal to 130. Means another condition, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Here angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Like angle A equal to 50 degrees, angle C also 50. Means angle A equal to angle C equal to 50. Here 50 degrees, automatically here also 50 degrees. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Next, like angle B equal to angle D, means B equal to D. Now angle D equal to 130 degrees. Here B equal to D. Angle B equal to angle D, like here also 130. We know that sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral we get 360. Like here 50 plus 130, 180. 180, these two 180. 180 plus 180 we get 360. I hope you understand, children, here. Here fifth one, in a given figure, L and M are intersected by the transversal N. Is L parallel to M? So according to this diagram, they asking L is parallel to M is correct or not. Here observe first one, angle AQP 100 degrees, means AQP and AQR. This is one of the linear pair, means sum equal to 180 degrees. Like angle AQP plus angle AQR equal to 180 degrees. AQP, AQR, sum equal to 180 degrees. Like APQ value 100 degrees. 100 plus angle AQR equal to 180. Like angle AQR equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degrees. So therefore angle AQR equal to angle CRS. 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 These two equal. Means we get here 80 degrees. This is both are equal. Means corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore L parallel to M. It is correct. Sixth one, find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E in the figure given reasons. Here observe this figure. A 50 degrees, here B, C, D, E, here also 50 degrees. Here expand this figure. We know that types of angles, transversal, parallel line, like here observe. This is a transversal. Like here these two parallel lines, this is the transversal. Like observe here 50 degrees A. These two places observe here. This is two parallel lines, L and M, two parallel lines. This is N is a transversal. Like here both are alternate angles. These two places alternate angles. We know that alternate angles are equal. Means now here A equal to 50 degrees. A equal to 50 degrees. Angle A equal to 50 degrees. Like each and every figure here, like this, all are alternate angles. All are alternate angles. Expand this figure, we get alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. Like angle B also 50 degrees. Next, angle C equal to 50 degrees. Like that each and every figure expand like this, we get two parallel lines and a transversal line. Like all CB, ED, like E 50 degrees, all we get 50 degrees, means angle D equal to 50 degrees, angle E also 50 degrees. I hope to understand children here. Here all parallel lines like that, A, B, C, D, E, all are alternate angles. So finally answer angle A equal to 50 degrees, B equal to 50 degrees, C equal to 50, D also 50 degrees, E equal to 50 degrees.